Okay. I think we're back. All right, we're back. Jeez, I gotta get everything up and running again here. I reset the router. I did a whole bunch of stuff. Hopefully that fixed it. Seems fine right now. All right, back again.
Come on.
Good vibes for a green ending.
Let's go, Rip. Let's go, Rip. Where's my Twitch activity feed? There we go. Okay. Been out of whack today. Trying to get things run, but I think we're up. We're up and running now. SYTA.
I would usually keep a couple $1,000. You know, if you can get your account up to 30,000, that's good. Give you enough buying power. Um, you know, where I think that would make sense.
No, you can hear us. Thank you. Jeez. Cuck and go here. Could have been better fills, but here we are. I don't know if we're gonna violate that Bollinger Band or not. I don't think we are. Oh, maybe, nope, definitely not. My intuition was correct. Gonna take it off. NIVF, yeah. I mean, wow. Lyra 2360 level on watch. SBET building a 5-minute. Streaming from prison. Bitcoin strategy. Hold it up. An SUUN. Inspired by MicroStrategies. Dude, all these companies doing this could that be the next bubble? Could that be the next bubble? Like all these companies doing a Bitcoin strategy thing, sell shares, buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, stock goes up, sell more shares, buy more Bitcoin. Like that could end real bad. But it's going to take a while for that bubble to build, no doubt. Kids come up to yesterday's high, 42. BYND quietly coming up. Oh, what a terrible fill that is. Oh my gosh. Holy jeez. Can I get out? See, selling on the ask right now would be ideal, but I can't. And of course, yep. How about that one? Okay, break even trade. Jeez. I wanted I wanted it below 130 at the very least. Jeez. SBET 5-minute. 750. Jeez. The spreads. ID's down too. So I need to break like 68 probably. And it just did. $50. That's not bad. Nope. One ready. RSLS 615. Go. 20. 23. Okay. Okay. Nope. This isn't really a low float. 35 million. Let's see if I can hold the 85. Lyra, here it is. There's the level break. Not a bad fill, E-turd. Lyra, you have this 2450 level. No! It's 44, 60, 50. Taking some off just because I'm up high on it. Oh! The addicting fills, man. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. $27 would be amazing on this thing. A lot of news here.
About 7%. Once again, Joel's
S&P
numbers coming in
futures seeing
higher
a
than
small pop
expected
here following the 10 a.m. data.
at 7.39 million, and your factory orders lower at minus 3.7%. Commentary out by Fed's Bostic says still sees possible path to one interest rate cut this year, depending on economy.
SUN halted down. Jeez. Make it make sense. One will juice, one won't. Tesla, you gotta remember Elon's coming back officially, so is it gonna be a sell the new event, or are we just gonna keep running? Lyra 1 minute. 6, 7 is 28. No break. Okay. Give it right back. Alright. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot about. Yikes. Okay. That didn't work out. 5-minute cuck now. Should have been paying attention. Lyra high day. Yeah, calling out the CRDO. I like it. Got the 80 there, huh? LVWR. RSLS, maybe a 5-minute. It's so far down from where it was, so I'm not too interested in it.
No ticker Faro RO. The takeover note is circulating the name. Faro engaged advisor to explore sale in January. Watch it says FARO on that.
ARO buyout rumor. Aren't they being bought out? Huh? This is a weird headline. I don't know what that's all about, honestly. CTR. Pre-market highs up here at 10. This halt? Oh. False halt. Ah! Who is I kidding? Who is I kidding? False halt. That's good. I'm gonna get out half because it feels like I'm gonna get dicked. 90, 91, 2, 4. Another false halt. Quality. Gonna exit this stock because I don't like. Okay. If this is 3 false halts, I'm gonna just punch something. So yeah, it wouldn't do that when I had 2,000 shares. 500. Okay. Market makers got to eat too, right? Speaking of market, taking a poop here. Kids over yesterday's high. That's interesting.
Much as the BMEA, Bravo Michael Echo Alpha, shares are seeing a bump in activity. Continued activity new highs, BMEA.
MCTR's China, fantastic. What do you guys have for a quote on it? Curious. KIDZ going for 5. That one looks good today so far. 1040.
Benzinger market update. S&P futures down
1050.
0.25. The Dow
1076.
futures down
Okay.
75.
Okay.
Nasdaq is up 52. Crude is up 87 cents now at 63.40. Natural gas down 3 cents at $3.67. Gold is down 33.50 at 33.63.70. Bitcoin futures up 845 at 105,840.
This NIVF is just dog.
Coming up
poop
after
right
the
now.
close, earnings from CRWD, CrowdStrike Holdings, HPE, Hewlett Packard. Fed's Goolsbee at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time. Fed's Cook at 1 p.m. and Fed's Logan at 3:30. API weekly crude and gasoline stocks at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time.
Watching kids through 5. Fire 88. Good fill. That's what I wanted. It's a 30-second cock. Maybe gives me a little early entry. Yep. 98. 5, 2, 4. Pushing, push, 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 push. There you go. All right, what's the resumption quote on this guy? 1333. We got a minute and a half. Did you catch any fish? Not yet. I haven't. Well, I traded all day yesterday. That's my problem there. Trying to get out of a hole. So hopefully today I can get out and enjoy the weather. I don't like going out and having a good time when I have a red day. It's just not fun for me.
Coming from CNBC, it says Peloton launching resale market for used bikes and treadmill.
What did I say? 1333. All right, 40 seconds on this. 11. Oh, this ain't gonna open, is it?
TAK, Takeda. European Commission approves that Cetrus for the treatment of adult patients with newly diagnosed stage 2B, 3, 4 Hodgkin lymphoma in combination with ECAD.
It's a 3 billion
That
float.
is Tango Alpha Kilo, TAK.
All right, don't think this is gonna open, but we'll see. Just over 10 seconds. Five seconds. I don't think it's gonna open. Yeah, that's okay. This guy. So I got 425. Jeez.
Note ticker Peloton PTON. Note CNBC is reporting Peloton is launching a resale market for used bikes and Peloton seeing an increase of activity.
I'm getting out of this. Didn't act how I thought it would, so small L on that one. Just want it out. Really want out of this guy. Freaking garbage. Basing out for an eternity here. No curl. Yeah. That's why I have multiple sources, Chase. You know, not everyone can afford Bloomberg, so having multiple news sources is key. I got to check out that one, that Good Banana, Martin Scarelli's one, when I get home. See how I can use that somehow. Kids is juicing, dude. Video taking on? Oh yeah. De Pope. Oh yeah.
NVDA, NVIDIA popping to the
Oh.
highs, 141.50. NVDA, November Victor Delta Alpha.
We got SBAT with a 5-minute right now. Markets are juicing. What is that? Level 0, one person contributed 5 bits? What is this leveling stuff? Level 1 times 10, one person contributed 50 bit. What is that? Is this some kind of... What is that? Just popped up on the screen? It's something by Twitch. It says you have 1 squirrel, Vega. So you clicked on it? All right, what do we got to quote on this thing now? So it'll be 1833. We got a minute and a half. I don't know what I don't know what that is. It says one person contributed 5 bits and it shows the squirrel heart and then the dinosaur. I have no idea what that is.
Oh, it shows a KIDZ, Kilo India Delta Zulu. Share seeing continued heavy activity, new highs. KIDZ.
Watch Lyra 5-minute. I'd be all over that right now if I wasn't about to exit a halt here on this. That 5-minute looks juicy. Do I pay for any scanners? No. I don't use anything complicated. They're just high day scanners. My scanners are what you see. Well, okay. So I have these, which I use mainly. When you hear the ding, it is another scanner, but it's just it's just a variant of this. Instead of these are all, I think all stocks under $100. And then I have another scanner that's small caps. So I just put a little parameter of float size. This is gonna go here. Heavy at 1150. It's like it doesn't want to. But that's it. That's all I use. Nothing fancy. My trades don't come from scanners. My trades, like the way I use scanners is if something hits heavy on the scanner and you'll see it. It's usually something with news and I want to flip over to it.
On BMEA, seeing volume highs up over 30%.
So I don't really play scanners. In the morning, you know, they'll help me find stocks that have news, and then I'll just have it on my watch as I flip.
JPL Lima Delta programming notes. CEO currently speaking on CNBC. APLD.
Cheese, freaking A. What's your opinion on trading pre-market hours? It's great. I mean, it can be hot and cold. Right now, it's hot, so people do it. Nothing wrong with pre-market trading. It makes it easier when you have a platform that allows you to do it easily with buying the ask, selling the bid, or whatever, you know, buttons specifically for that. It's very difficult for me because I have to type in all my order entries, and you can fumble that quite a bit. If I just had a button that said, you know, buy on bid, buy on ask, sell on bid, sell on ask, done. It'd be so much easier, but I don't. MCTR curling again. So interesting. SBET curling up. That hit 57? No, didn't do anything. Bad sign. So I was going to tell all the people asking in chat, add the downsides and sell everything. Tough economy. Huh? Fidelity Beta. Yeah. CoreWeave going crazy. Yeah. It's NVIDIA play, which is doing very well. I almost swung CoreWeave calls from yesterday. Who is that? The freaking Pope.
Come on.
Hi, Dirty Dan. Let's go, bud. Let's go. 35. Damn.
On PLUG, seeing the volume pop to highs up 8.5%. PLUG plug power.
Watch this kids that has a W here over 64.
GRPN Groupon making more highs today. Now 32.87, up another 1.5%. Golf Romeo Papa November.
That KIDZW was a scalp. Once it looked like it was slowing down even just a hair, I was out because that MACD was flipping. And a lot of times you get that little pop and drop, which is what that candle did. I know it doesn't show it because he trades so good, but let this candle close. You'll see what I mean. Zone moving again. Okay. Yuck candle yesterday. ARAI from yesterday. Daily. Cuck and go 719.
On ZONE, volume pop to highs.
Kids coming back up, and now you high day. Like the 75. Gonna flip. HPKD from yesterday doing some stuff again. Look at this piece of junk. Jeez.
BKKT Bacht Holdings at the highs, up 14%. Bravo Kilo Kilo Tango.
Wow.
RDW Redwire shares up about 8% now. Romeo Delta Whiskey Company earlier
This went 440.
announcing
I mean, high day.
a contract
Huh.
from Aspera Biomedicines. That's RDW.
RDW high day through 15. Wow. Lyra 5-minute here. HOLX Daily Cock. Dang, man, that was nice. Immediate reversal. Immediate. Suck a dick. SBAT 6688. Kids went. CoreWeave. That took like $1,000. Yep. I went big. Swung for the fences. Kids juice. You're getting cucked. Block. Hako. Okay. KO. Getting dicked. I'm pissed. I'm up $2,000. All right. Be less pissed, SJ. Decent day. CoreWeave. What a candle. Jeez. No. No shot. You did a candle. That made me actually push the sell button. Whoever you are. I hope this breaks through 50. I don't think it's gonna. No. Jeez. Freaking A. Alright. Alright. Calm down, SJ. Calm down here. What is this? 88? We're right there again. Bullshit, Phils. What is that? Why does it have to have the ginormous red candle when I'm in it? Break even trade. This is like the third time. SBet, shit. SBet. 60. High there is what? 68. 60. Higher is 88.
No ticker NVO, November Victor Oscar. Note a possible negative catalyst. The exclusive study is out. Ozempic is linked to, quote, silent cancer that risks rising in young people. That's now being circulated.
Oof. Right back up. This goes over 7150. Cancer's good, guys. Cancer's good. Did you know that?
That shows the NVO seeing increase of activity on
Taking
that
half off because horse manure.
headline now.
Why does it show that I have share short still? Okay, whatever. All right, SBet, back to SBet. Jeez. Lyra coming right back up. You piece of garbage. Bitch, I just so good when we get shaken out in the headlights. I mean, yeah, yeah, it happens all the time, doesn't it? S bet. There it is. 68. Dollar frickin' spreads here. $58. Get over the 50 and we're golden. No. Dollar spread. Do it. Do it. 69. Woo. 70. Woo. 72.
Your SBET, Sandy Bravo, Echo Tango, sure seeing a
Oh,
spike in
Billy,
activity,
we
new
gotta take
highs.
some
So
off.
shares breaching the $70 psychological level. SBET, no possible technical breakout on that name.
Go for 73. Do it. Just might as well. Juice to 75. Is it halting? Not sure how I feel about that. Okay. Jeez. Dip and rip. 73 break would be an add if we go here, but looks like it's walking down. All right, I'll get ready to re-enter for 73. And we're right back. Okay.
Seen some headlines out regarding California. Assembly unanimously passes bill to delay marijuana tax hike for 5 years.
Now it shows INCY, India, November, Charlie, Yankee, sure seeing continued activity, new highs.
J&J,
A recent press release,
Johnson &
Insight
Johnson,
is announcing
Darzalex
An
Electric
LEGN
Communications.
unveils groundbreaking 5-year survival
Base
data for
regimen shows
Carvykti. That's an
95% progression-free survival
LEGN.
at 4 years in transplant-eligible newly diagnosed patients with multiple myeloma who achieve sustained MRD negativity. That's Juliet, November,
What?
Juliet, J&J.
What? Where in Discord, good man? You put in general or something? I don't see him. Did you kill it?
VUZI, Vuzix.
Oh, I'm not in Discord. I
Wire
apologize.
AI partners with Vuzix to launch its new M400 smart glasses
There we go.
based AI-driven
Sorry about
quality
that.
assurance
Didn't realize I
inspection
wasn't in there.
platform. That's Victor Uniform Zulu
Trading
India.
floor.
VUZI.
Members on this insight. Earlier
Bro,
headlines in the news desk regarding multiple
you made
presentations.
$2,000.
Currently, Insight trading at highs of the day, up over 4%.
Relax there, good man. Relax.
Also, headlines out on Vuzix VUZI. Not much volume. Partners with WYR.ai to launch its new M400 smart glasses. That's on VUZI, Vuzix.
CURI, under $10 Zach's pick. Curiosity Stream popped on that news, that report. That's CURI. CRWV, CoreWeave, more highs now up 16%. The lots of call activity on that passing by, including the 195 calls on CRWV.
RSLS 5-minute W over 583. Did not go. Oh, there it did go. Not the strongest of moves, though. Who? The frickin' Pope. $40 days out in the money Nvidia calls. I think you're gonna go see 143.50 break probably today or tomorrow. That's my guess. It's a very classic
Come on. Mm-hmm.
earnings pop, fill the gap, and curl. I mean, look at this daily too.
I was about to
This
put the
looks
stream off
juiced.
because I started getting ads and then I realized I hadn't reapplied the sub.
That's on you. Don't blame me. Could 145 hit today? I mean, could, but that'd be a big move. Probably tomorrow or the next day. This week. I mean, it just looks good. S-bet pushing again. Damn. Why is that so stupid? E-Trade. Oh my gosh, E-Trade. There we go. Selling half out of the swing account. Thank goodness. Now we're playing around with the other 50. KDZ back down to 5. Really shocked that RSLs didn't do anything there, but whatever. SOAR. BVPR. Hello, daily candle over candle. Watch JOBY over VWAP. Might get a pop.
Mass attack starts
Are
in
you serious
5,
right now?
4, 3, 2, 1. Mass attack.
All right. Have at it. Let's go. Get him up here. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Jeez, you're so stupid. Come on. People are like, I still don't know how to throw things. How do I throw things? I don't know. Shut up, Hunter. Come on. You got about a minute. For those that don't know, you have 1 minute to throw as many digital items at the Screamin' as you possibly can. Scroll down in the About section where you see Viewer Attack. And have at it. You can throw digital shit all over my face. Hope it makes you feel good. You bastards. It has nothing to do with the main window. You have to scroll down. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't help stupid. I just can't help stupid.
The ticker CVS, Charlie Victor Sandy money exclusive from Yahoo. CVS is spending $20 billion over 10 years to modernize healthcare.
What is this headline? Stop the frickin'. What was the headline? CVS what? It's going down, whatever it is. Yahoo Finance something. It's going the wrong way, so I'm gonna get out. Couldn't hear because I had Japanese weeb music in my head. What is that? Biddy going for that 142. Tesla going for high a day. I like it, Nick. Hims is now red on the day, as it should have been. Pisses me off. I was a $500 loser. Okay, low going cuck on the day or daily. VIX at 18. Wow. Diamond is back underwater on the collar. Jeez, didn't they just re-up it for June? Or wait, no, I have the date wrong. That was last week, wasn't it?
China's top diplomat meets U.S. ambassador to China, hopes the latter promotes healthy, steady, sustainable bilateral ties.
15 months of saying happy birthday.
Xylaz, you're welcome.
We are seeing new highs in markets. All three indices hitting new day highs. Following those headlines from Xinhua in regards to the China, currently the Dow up spot 1.6%, S&P up spot 3.5%, Nasdaq up spot 7.5%.
Can we stop playing hardball here?
Now ticker Tesla shares seeing continued activity, new highs on Tesla.
Just juice.
A possible technical breakout on the name TSLA.
There we go. Just blow through these, million shares here. No big deal. Wrong way, bruh. And a cuck. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the powers I have to reverse a stock it's a power I shouldn't be allowed to have. It's a $3.5 trillion company. I can freaking spin it on a dime. Which way you want it to go? Just let me know. All right, here's your cock. Your big old tail. It should go. Whole market's screaming right now. This would be a cock and go on the 5 if it wanted it. Has to get up to 99 though. This is where I should play an option play. Right, Chase?
Remember, it's watching this Palantir, PLTR, trading at lows of the day on volume.
China's foreign minister said the U.S. should create necessary conditions for bilateral relations to go back to the right track. It says equal respect is the prerequisite to China-U.S. relations. Dialogue, cooperation are the only correct choice.
Shred. Nick Poston, CEP. It's freaking same block, huh? Oh, there's the volume. Look at that. Look at that volume. Take a chunk out of that 142. Do it again. Holy jeez. 2 million shares went through there. Probably needs to do another cuck, doesn't it? This MACD is killing me here. SBAT high day. Jeez. Core weave juicing.
That's a TikTok news coming from Fox Business. People close to the White House tell Fox Business TikTok it's for President Trump to sign another 90-day operation extension for TikTok.
We all saw that coming. Bollinger Band's getting tight on this Nvidia, so it's either gonna bounce off this bottom and then we get the juice, or we're just gonna break down now. And I'm long, so we know we know what's about to happen. Come on. RSLS went? Huh. Going for the VWAP. Um, KIDZ's got some price compression.
Remember some commentary out by White House's Besant says Trump aims to make U.S. a hub for digital innovation.
Needs to break 525. RSLS, nice move. Put that back on the scans here. VWAP. Color. That's a W. It didn't break it. No. How did it? Okay, there it goes. $2 spread now. Ooh, MACD's down. Did not see that. That's bad. Wow, you see the buyers there on 80.70? High day.
U.S. Aerospace Group warns new tariffs on airplanes and parts could put supply chain aviation safety at risk. That's somebody filing with the Commerce Department. Charlie Gasparino of Fox Business says people close to the White House say the plan regarding TikTok is for President Trump to sign another 90-day operating extension following the one ending on June 19th.
Hidden buyer there for a second at 82. It's a nice move on RSLS. See if we can hold that VWAP. Corey about to go high day. It's been a while since we've had an IPO that did well like this. It's been a hot minute. US warrants need tariffs on airplane. Okay. Nice. 100,000 share market order, just, you know. Extreme of your new setup, brother. I missed your explanation yesterday. If you go to Discord and you go into trading desk setups, it's my old setup basically. The very first one that you'll see in there. It's just three 27-inch screens. I used to have the ones on the side horizontal, but now I've turned them vertical. So it's vertical, horizontal, horizontal, and then vertical. That's it, just three 27-inch screens. It's enough. I would like to probably have one more right there, but it gets by. This is not my main setup. I need to get a Stream Deck Plus so I can route some audio a little differently, and then we'll be set here. So I'll have that probably next time I come to the lake. My hockey stuff isn't up in the garage. This isn't my room. Obviously. If you don't know, I'm at a different location right now. And I will be here a lot during the summer. Trying to do some fishing. KIDZ still got that 5-minute look to it. What was it, 25? Yeah, the bunker. ASST saying it so. Finally breaking range to the downside, unfortunately. You see that? No reaction. My heart's racing, but you didn't get to see that part. Get wrecked.
U.S. Ambassador to China says he spoke with Foreign Minister Wang Yi, discussed fentanyl and trade. That's from Bloomberg.
Oh, thank God the Chuck's back. 10K buyer. This would be a dip and rip if we can break this 425. There was a big seller here last time. He might be a hidden seller. We'll see. Come on. That'll wake you up. Holy crap. I imagine you'll see a big volume spike if this 525 breaks. I bet you there's some decent size there. And hopefully we don't test this guy. The Stokes is a little extended, so I don't know if we're going to get enough juice to break through here. What? How do I still have 1,000 shares? VIX is still dropping.
On MDIA, breaks from the competition and reports robust April-May television and radio audience growth in second quarter of 25. That's on MDIA Media Co.
SBET 5-minute.
Come on.
Jesse's World. Freaking 10 months. Let's go. Hymns. Should have never been up, but it was. So it's selling like it should. I don't know where it's at now. I mean, rarely does a company's stock go up when they're buying in others. Okay. Got filled here. I'm lucky we'll get the 43. What is that? Okay. Solid buyers showing up. 45 is a level. All right. Let's just crack the level that I was watching. Give it right back. Kids trying. What is this, 45? $46. Didn't do anything. And Nvidia goes 5-minute cock and drop. Okay. That's a failed 5-minute W. You kidding me? The CEP looks juiced, Nick. Of course, I don't get filled on the ask. Get filled freaking dog's ball hair away from it. Yep. It's a concrete wall. I can't do nothing with it. It's just concrete. I'm literally went from one basement to another. Ooh, look at that volume. Oh, it stays in. Yeah, dick 'em. Stop it. For crying out loud. What is this? 70 something. I'm swinging for the fences here, boys. Top tick Tommy's in the house. Careful. Alright. Gotta hang it up on that. Damn it. Give back quite a bit here, boys. I'm ready to watch you swing. It's my biggest winner, SBET, so that's why I keep trying it. It does have good breaks, but that one did not go.
INCY inside.
Ticker
UBS,
INCY, India,
with
November,
comments
Charlie,
out
Yankee, no
saying
chat room,
inside
circulation
data is
intense.
negative.
An INCY,
INCY.
talk of some
Safety of
cautious
the dread.
comments out by UBS on the
That's
name.
India, November, Charlie, Yankee.
That's an
That's being circulated now.
INCY.
Man, they all hit that at the same time, didn't they?
Shares of Insight pulled back from the highs. Insight hitting a high of 70.97. Now at 67.62, up about 3.75%, 3.5%. INCY.
Whew. Quite the move on RSLS. AGAE. Stock, don't you put that cock on me.
An INCY is seeing a volume downtick now following those cautious comments by UBS. That's INCY. Back to levels pre that earlier press release.
Freaking Nene.
SMCI popping to the high. Super Micro. Sandy Michael Charlie.
Maybe I get
India,
lucky on this guy. This thing's taking a
SMCI.
shit here.
43.55 now, up about 6%.
Gonna go red on the day. Can I short it? That was a $2 drop. 64.72. Of course we bounce. Of course. $400 red candles in a row. I go short. I reverse a $12 billion company. What can I say? Powers are strong. Oof.
Talk that Trump said to speak to Xi on Friday, coming from White House sources.
All right, there you go. Friday it is.
Macro note, Trump is said to speak to Xi on Friday. They come from
Yeah, trade exchange fashion beta check. Completely reversed a $12 billion company. You can see the moment that I took a short.
Members, markets are seeing continued strength. Following first those earlier China headlines, now commentary out by White House that Trump is set to speak to Xi on Friday. The Dow hitting day highs, S&P also day highs, up 0.5%.
Exiting the rest of that Roth position. Swing position, whatever. Breaking all sorts of levels. Holy jeez. Here's your VWAP. Anyone buying it?
the Chinese issues. Now seeing a increase of activity. On that headline, Trump is said to speak to Xi on Friday.
All right. Is Trade Exchange typically slower than Chuck? Yeah. Well, they don't say stuff as much. So Beta Chuck tends to have more bangers. But when Trade Exchange does talk, they're just as fast as Chuck. Beta Chuck. Did a perfect 15. 15 is a solid. I like to have the 5 and the 15 work together. I've learned that one from Nick. I used to just do 5s, but when you had it with another chart, even the 10. This thing's juicing.
On HOLO, MicroCloud announces it has purchased up to 200 million in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related security derivatives. That's on
200 million
HOLO.
derivatives? They bought 200, so they're going balls to the wall here.
The ticker HOLO.
They bought
Cloud is announcing its purchase up to 200 million in Bitcoin.
with a concurrent cumulative investment income of 19. Wait, okay, what? What are we reading here? What kind of witchcraft is this?
On that HOLO, more color on that in the news desk. That's MicroCloud HOLO.
Announced today as a purchase up to 200. What does that mean? In Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related security derivatives. Hopefully that's not some sort of option. As of June 3, the cumulative investment income has reached 19 million. Does that mean that is that a fancy way of saying that they've put 19 million in RSLS? Nice move. Holo currently holds 303 million in cash reserves. The company plans to allocate 303 million reserves towards derivatives and technology development and cutting edge quantum computing, quantum holography, and AI powered AI. Okay. See where this opens. Good God. Frickin' to Pope. Frickin' to Pope. Frickin' to Pope.
You smell it?
MicroCloud hologram shares.
Good banana gifting it out. Can we get some LFGs in the chat?
Cryptocurrency related securities.
Let's go, buddy. What'd you trade?
Money.
What did you trade? Let us know.
Okay.
Might stick to my 404 gifted. Huh?
You smell it? What is that?
You just wanted to get the 404.
No.
Zai, let's go, bud. Gifting out the 5.
No. Money.
What did you trade?
I smell money.
For gifted not found. I see what you did. I see what you did there. And then followed up with Xylez, gifting out 5. What did you trade? I had Tesla 160s for this week. Jeez. Bet you're partying with your clothes off. S-bet. Good. Oh, that's R. G's good banana. So what this does, 200 million in derivatives. So it represents.
Headlines out by Cartier that telling customers that some data was stolen in a cyber attack.
I don't know where this is opening. 620.
PPTA, Perpetua Resources, getting a pop here to the high, 1633. Hearing analyst note out. That is Papa Tango Alpha.
So this is a 10-minute halt. Looks like it. Gap in 50 cents.
That's from a newsletter mention. PPTA.
But so they used 19 million of their 200 million stockpile of cash, or 300 million of cash. Jeez. On this YOLO play, basically. Short float is huge. Oh, no doubt. Hollow's float is small, but I don't know what it is. E-Trade says it's 6,000 shares, so 640. Math moving up. Little grinder there. Nice. Is Bitcoin be the black swan? It could. I mean, geez. So many things are tied to it right now. So when does this open? 0528? Wait, no. 28 seconds. So 20 seconds now. This is gapping up quite a bit. 650. We're gonna be lucky if this opens. What was this move? 60 cents. Be close. We should probably maybe we do open. 8 seconds. Out of this halt, some sort of dip and then rip through the highs. That's what I'm gonna look for. So if it opens at like 650, I want to see a dip and then rip through 650. But we're not open, so 15-minute halt. Showing 672. Oh my gosh. So retail is going to view that as, oh, they have $200 million worth of Bitcoin, which that's not the case at all. We know that. We don't know what derivative they bought, but they certainly don't have $200 million worth of Bitcoin. Speaking of Bitcoin, it's doing pretty good. It's got ways to go to look decent again, but holding over 106, call it 106.6. It's probably a start of a level. Is this moving because of China? They bought the 1 mil all options expiring next week for 1 penny. Could be worth 2. Yeah. None of their moves is held up like ever. What was the news on the 28th?
S&P futures right now off the highs up 29. The Dow futures up 139. Nasdaq is up 153. Crude is up $1.14 now, 63.66. Natural gas is flat at $3.69. Gold
Minute and a half.
is down 24.40 at 33.72.60. Bitcoin futures up 21.90 at 107,195.
Joby, that's an interesting spot. Oh. "30 seconds on this guy. We'll see if it opens. Success. I mean, no pullback. All right, 685. Right through my. I was trying to set up the order. Ooh, that's gonna false halt. Yeah, you see it? It tried to get me. It tried to get me.
Remember, I was watching this HOLO following the open, up over 33%, following those earlier headlines.
Seriously, Xylos. And I won't and I don't know how to freaking run a stock. I'm not just gonna be doing this crazy shit that they do with it. I'll let it moon before I exit. Damn. And when I exit, it's gonna be slow. Slow. Real slow. Well, I was setting up my order to hit hollow. It just moved too fast for me. See if it gives us a 1 minute here. Still tons of selling. Looked away, missed it. It's wild, man. Fusier. I'm at a different location right now. I'm at the lake. Little vacation spot. So we have a W here at 743. Bought one of those Great Lakes. You're right. See if it can hold over 7. All right. Not doing so hot here. Another push down. Hmm. New headset, nice. All right, I'm gonna call it here. I've given back 2/3 of my gains today, so we're gonna keep $1,000. Call it a day. RSLS, I'd watch for a local high break. Nvidia looks decent. All the other bangers that I was playing with. KIDZ looks like it could do something maybe later on. But yeah, I need to have a green day, break the red streak. So, calling it here. I'll be on early tomorrow. Seems like it's been pretty hot, so dang man, we were up like $3,500 this morning. Gave back most. That's what you're supposed to do though. Not give it back part, but swing harder. Swing harder on the right setups, and they just didn't work. One of these times they'll work, and I'll get like a $10,000 day instead of freaking these hits. Anyway, you guys are awesome. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Sorry for the stream issues this morning. This is like my 4th try at streaming, but I think we got it going here. All right, take care.